Hello there. Welcome to my channel and to another tutorial of greatness. This is your girl Gloria Nyakon from Heria Day 8. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to it, like this video, comment on it, and share it to grow the family. Okay, so in today's business, I changed or I transformed my Foxy natural hair into Puffy Curls using hair rollers. Before everything started, I made sure to give my hair a thorough shampooing and a thorough combing because I have a very stubborn, kinky, Foxy natural hair. I spent a whole lot of time on it. I spent a whole lot of time trying to get it back on the silky track that I need, trying to get all tangles to the tangle and a whole lot. But I'm proud of my hair, it is me. No matter how it is, no matter type that it is. So the rollers I used 27 hair rollers, and one thing I love about these hair rollers is that it has gotten its own fastener. You don't need additional pins to fasten it. So this is the rollers that I used. You can get it at your local shops or you can order it from online. Any way that you want it is okay. The spray that I used on the hair to hold the hair was one Step Spritz, and the reason why I didn't apply the spritz on my hair before applying rollers is that after applying the spritz, your hair kind of becomes sticky and the stickiness may interrupt with your fingertips when you are trying to get the hair around the rollers. That is why I didn't apply the spritz before the rollers. Yeah, I love this spritz. Yes, I may say that I love this spritz. I have used it before and I'm using it now. Please, on a very big place, if you haven't used the spritz before, I will advise you to do a strand test before applying it on your hair. In case maybe you have seen that it worked for me and so you want to also try it, after buying it, do a strand test on your hair before you apply it on your whole hair. The reason is that what works for me may not necessarily work for you, so it is always advisable to go for the strand test. Those who do not know what strand test is taking a sample of your hair, maybe at the back or in the middle, and applying the pomade or cream or spray, whatsoever that it is that you want to apply on your hair, using it on your hair on that sample to see how it may react. If it doesn't cause any kind of irritations afterwards, or if it doesn't break your hair, then you know that this hair cream actually works for you, or it is going to work for you. Then you can apply it on every part of the hair. But if you haven't done that yet, I would not recommend you to use any cream on your hair that you haven't tested it yet. Please, your hair is so important to me. I love your hair however it is. I love it, and I do not want you to ruin it by a cream or a product that you bought, is giving you irritations or breakages in your hair. So it is always advisable to go for the strand test first before you use any kind of hair product on your hair. I did this hair during the daytime and so I wanted it to dry naturally. I don't want to apply this kind of creams and products in my hair and also apply a lot of heat in my hair. And because of that, I waited approximately 18 hours, so it was after the next morning that I took the roller set off. But if you think that your hair can stand heat, can stand a lot of heat, then you are good to go into your dryer and give your hair a nice dry. Afterwards, you take the roller set off. You don't necessarily have to sleep on it like I slept on mine. Oh, voila! There goes your Puffy Curls. This is nice. You can leave it like this if you want it, but me, I wanted to separate each and every one of them. So I divided some into 3 divisions and others to 2 divisions. You just have to do it the way it suits you, the way you like it. If you like this tutorial and if it was helpful to you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please like this video, comment on it, and share it to grow this family we have here. I love you guys. I love you so much. Please, the most important part is that don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification on. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Have a great day ahead of you.